Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to remove your Shopify store password page. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your browser and search for shopify.com. Okay? And in order for you to remove the password page on your Shopify store, you need to have the premium plan. Okay? So just go ahead and select a plan just right here. Okay. So let's just say that you have now the plan or any plan right here. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the online store section right here at the left side of your screen and click on preferences. And once you've clicked on preferences, you should see this. Okay. So now under preferences, you want to scroll down until you see the password protection section. Okay. So now as you can see, to let anyone access your online store, you need to pick a plan. Okay, that is why I said earlier that you need to have the premium plan on Shopify in order for you to remove the password page on your Shopify store. So if you have the premium plan, just go ahead and uncheck this box and that should remove the password page on your Shopify store. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.